Ready to start selling on Coachli? Before you create your first product, there's one quick step you need to complete: setting up your payout details. This ensures that every payment you receive is sent directly to your account without any issues. Here's how to do it.
First, if you are using your laptop, you would see the options already showing on the left side of your screen. On your phone, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner to view the options. Scroll down until you see payout options right below profile and tap it. Next, select the payout settings. Updating the account details and adding a new one initially has the same process. Fill in your payout information, select your country, choose your bank, enter your account number, then click on verify details. Once your name appears, tap save. For a new account, Coachli automatically verifies your account and it will be added. But if you are updating, once you click save changes, an OTP will be shared to your registered email. Input the PIN sent to you and click on verify account details.
And that's it. Your payout settings are now complete and you are ready to start creating and selling your product on Coachli. One quick setup and you are ready to earn. Now go ahead and create your first product on Coachli.